Subscribe to our channel and share your projects using the hashtag MakeItWithMichaels.